Changing the date of a Frontier Airlines flight can be easy if you follow the outlined steps and understand their policies. This guide will help you efficiently manage your new travel plans. Frontier Airlines has a tiered system for change fees, which vary by how far in advance you make the change. Changes are free if made 60 days before departure, $49 if done 59 to 7 days before, and $79 if less than 7 days before. Before changing your flight, check your ticket and fare type, as different types may have different rules. For example, the Works Bundle includes changes without additional fees, offering more flexibility. Visit the Frontier Airlines website, log into your account, or use the booking reference and last name to access your booking under the Manage Travel section. Once logged in, navigate to Manage Travel, select your booking, and then choose the Change Flights option to start the process of selecting a new flight date. When selecting a new flight date, be aware of date change fees and fare differences. If the new flight is more expensive, you'll pay the difference plus any applicable change fees. Review all details of your new flight, including additional charges. Confirm the changes by providing payment for any fees or fare differences. After confirming, you will receive a new confirmation email with updated flight details. Keep this email for your records. Consider purchasing travel and monitor fare sales for potential savings. Also, utilize Frontier Miles to offset change costs. Contact customer service if you encounter issues during the online change process. In conclusion, changing your flight date with Frontier Airlines involves understanding their fees and navigating their system. Review all fare rules and additional costs when making changes to ensure a smooth experience. Our flight network works with all major airlines for seamless flight reservations. We assist with booking, cancellations, time changes, and more. Need to reschedule, check in, or upgrade? We've got you covered. Call us at 1321-461-8832 for all your flight reservation needs. For seamless travel experiences, trust our network and call us today.